Good day, everyone. I am Joey P. Sanchez Jr.
And I'm Clyde Angelo Dizon.
We are here to explain about
Special right triangle.
here is Clyde to explain about a special right triangle whose angles measure 45, 45, and 90 degrees.
Right triangle. A right triangle whose angle measures 45, 45, 90. At also known as an isosceles triangle. First, we will know the parts of an isosceles triangle. A and B are the legs and C is the hypotenuse. Since A is equals to B, we will change this into A. The formula for an isosceles triangle is C is equals to A squared of 2. But how? Now we will prove this by using the Pythagorean theorem. Formula for an Pythagorean theorem is C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared. Since we change that this C squared is equals to A squared plus A squared. Square root of C squared is equals to square root of 2A squared. Simplifying this, C is equals to A square root of 2. A is equals to 3, then C is the unknown. The formula is C is equals to A square root of 2. Substitute this. C is equals to 3 square root of 2. As easy as that. Then revise. C is equals to 14 and now the unknown is C. A is equals to unknown. Formula is C is equals to A square root of 2. Substitute. 14 is equals to A square root of 2. Then 14 over square root of 2 is equals to A. Since there is an load in math that there will be no radical in the denominator. A is equals to 14 over square root of 2 times square root of 2 over square root of 2. Then substitute is equals to 14 over square root of 2 over 2. 14 divided by 2 is equals to 7 square root of 2. Then that's all. Now we're done to 45, 45, 90 degrees angle. Just remember the formula for getting this. C is equals to A square root of 2.
Again, I am Joey P. Sanchez Jr. Now, let's discuss about the second kind of a special right triangle. The second special right triangle that we are going to discuss is about a 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. At first, let's discuss the primary parts of the 30, 60, 90 right triangle. Letter A or side A is commonly called the shorter leg. This is called the shorter leg because the angle opposite to it measures only 30 degrees or the smallest among the three. Next one is the side B or the longer leg. The longer leg, the angle opposite to it measures 60 degrees or the second one largest to the whole triangle. Next is the largest one or the hypotenuse. This is called the largest one because the opposite angle measures 90 degrees or the largest angles among the three. Okay, next. Let's define the formula that we are going to use in the 30, 60, 90 degrees. First, to find the side A, we must use the formula 1/2 of the hypotenuse. And for the letter B is A equals to the square root of 3 is equals to 2A. To give more example or to know furthermore about all of it, we must give an example given. Given the A is equals to 4 and the unknown is B and C. First, to find the letter B, we must use the formula A square root of 3. We must substitute only. B equals to 4 square root of 3. The easiest it comes. Next, to find the letter C, or we must use the formula C is equals to 2A. And substitute again, C equals to 2 or 4. And we come to the final answer equals to C equals to 8. But let's rephrase it again. Now the given is A is unknown, B is 18, and C is unknown again. Now to find letter A, we must use letter B. But how come? We use letter B because B is only the given. So we use B to substitute it. So let's substitute again. 18 is equals to A square root of 3. Or transpose 14 square root of 3 is equals to A. But that we know on the first term or in the 4590, the answer must not be on a radical. So we must rationalize the denominator, multiplying by its denominator. 18 over square root of 3 multiplied to square root of 3 over square root of 3. And the product will be 18 square root of 3 over 3. Using cancellation, the answer will be formed to 6 square root of 3. So, we know now the letter A. A is equals to 6 square root of 3. Now, C is equals to 2 multiplied to the quantity of 6 square root of 3. And the answer should be in C equals to 12 square root of 6. As we end, we just remember that in 30, 60, 90 degrees, special right triangle, A is equals to 1/2 C, B is equals to A square root of 3, and C is equals to 2A. Okay?